Hello everyone, you are welcome to lecture number 1296 and today's topic is in continuation of laser technologies, and the topic very specific is the application of modern laser technologies, that is in 21st century. I am talking of today, the year 2024, and I have given the enough information, scientific, I can say experimentation about energy, photon, a light which is amplified and then it is stimulated in the form of energy radiation, and all this amplification, stimulation gives you different type of lasers in concentrated form, in very much we can say focused in one direction without scattering in all multi-direction. These are all very, very important properties with high energy content. And today, the laser applications or new technologies of laser has become the part of our life in day-to-day work. If we are going to industries, in industries it has lot of application where we cannot do the welding or we cannot do the cutting. We are using the laser beam and very precisely without loss of any material we are doing the cutting of any steel or iron. Then in drilling also without loss of any material we can do very specific drilling. And when you come to medical science, it has lot of applications in surgery, in dentistry, in skin, that is dermatologists they are using. So for example, nowadays laser surgery starts from crushing of the kidney stone, very specifically bloodless surgery, and also some other surgeries are done where we call it bloodless surgery by laser. And nowadays lot of laser technologies are used in skin and cosmetic surgery. For example, if somebody is having rough skin or lot of hair or moles or spots, acne, all are filtered off, all are removed, all are cleared by using laser, latest modern technology by dermatologists. Then you come to military side. Oh, it is horrible. Today the real war is going on, that is called laser beam and frequency atomization. And just now today I heard the news that China has promised to give in dozens the J-35 automated war planes, and that is J-35 laser automated warplane means it will be without pilot. It will take its own decision, and with the help of laser it can destroy lot of military weapons, lot of on ground activities, so many things. So even one fighter jet that is automatic with laser can ruin the whole area, whole city, only one. And of course nowadays fighting is going on with frequency and laser. It has big impact. Then come to entertainment, celebration. Different spectrum of lasers are produced in any concert, in marriage, in ceremony, a lot. Then environment and climate. Lot of remote sensing, remote data collection to monitor the climate and environment. Astronauts are using in space for a lot of research in spectroscopy now. what we were using like NMR, IR, ultraviolet. Now it is laser spectroscopy. With the help of laser spectroscopy, within we can say fraction of second, and with fraction of wavelength and frequency, we can detect the structure of a compound. So, I mean, there is no limit to it, and also it is widely used in DVD for data and the reading of the data, and also by that reading of the data by PIT, digital reading, it is very much effective in neuroscience. And nowadays, a lot of use is there in your brain chemistry, neuroscience, the application of laser beam. So I'm going to show you first images, and then I will brief you. Clear picture. So you can see here the very clear image of laser weaponry, that is called laser pistol, laser gun, and here the metallic bullet is not required. Very concentrated laser beam is enough to destroy and kill the enemy. This, what I was telling, the latest weaponry, automatic J-35, is produced by, at moment, by America and China. And this one is laser producing, and that laser is capable enough to destroy the whole area, even the equipments, all the machinery, human being, whoever are coming in front. And this J-35 fighter is automatic to everything. It is all controlling itself without pilotless, and very, very dangerous today. So it has started coming, and it is going to take part in coming war. Here, nowadays, laser beam is very effectively used by ophthalmologists, ophthalmological surgeon, and they are making lot of correction of retina or some eye refractive index or cornea or lens with the help of this laser. And also they are making the laser surgery also. So especially in eye hospitals, it is a big, we can say, change in modern age. This is the area of dermatologist. Laser is widely used by all dermatologists to make your skin very smooth, to remove the hair, to remove the scar, to treat the eczema or so many other type of skin condition. And this is very, very popular in cosmetic surgery and skin care surgery. Here, the instrument or machine we can call is producing the very specific laser, and that laser is penetrating inside a very specific area of your kidney where the stone is located, and it will hit the stone, and with the help of that laser wave and frequency combined with energy will crush the stone, and stone will be flushed out. So this laser surgery of removing the kidney stone is widely used worldwide. Here it is automatic welding is going on. No human being is sitting by, just focusing wherever the welding is required in car industries or maybe steel industry or any place. So it's a revolution. At a time, you can do the welding of 1 dozen, 10 dozen material which are supposed to be welded. Nowadays, to detect the fraud or cheating in duplication and barcode, so this laser beam is used, and it will detect and you will get the information. So in this way, by laser scanning of the bar, code bar, you can detect properly. It is digital a laser reading a pit where it will collect the data, and that is in DVD, and you will get with the help of that digital pit and data collection lot of information. Here it is inside machine how reflectors are there and they are amplifying the light, and that amplified light is converted in the form of that is digital pit. So this is the inside machine of that DVD. Now people are inviting that you come to my function and in note there will be laser celebration or laser light concert or musical concert or marriage ceremony where it is covered by laser beautiful light. So in modern age it is covering every part of our life, starting from fighting, medical, industry and entertainment. So here Sam is doing the form of summary about the laser, most modern technologies. Number one, present day, where I am talking of 2024, laser is playing a vital role in various fields including medicine, telecommunication, environment, military, surgery, industry, manufacturing and scientific research. And all these areas I have demonstrated the application one by one. So I am not going to repeat, just to give the summary. Laser is used in day-to-day life for DVDs, barcode scanning, cutting, welding and drilling in remote area. Number two, laser marking. A laser is used to mark unique identification or numbers on your product or any machinery to ensure quality control and traceability. Nowadays, if any automobile car, they have laser numbering and they cannot detect the thieves. So once it is recovered, they will check the number with the help of that is laser marking. Number three, surface treatment. Lasers are used nowadays to clean lot of metallic surfaces which are rusted, and for that you have to use lot of labor. No need, just focus the laser light, it will take care of every cleaning. Number four, precise medical treatment. That precise medical treatment I have already demonstrated, that laser surgery, then laser is used to crush the kidney stone, all these things are given. So in medical, lasers are used for precise treatment to minimize the tissue damage during surgery, cutting, coagulation, vaporization and sterilization of the tissues. Number five, laser spectroscopy. I have already told you that nowadays laser spectroscopy is used to establish the structure of compounds and also to study the chemical nature. Now number six, laser lighting. Nowadays it is widely used. It's a luxurious item in any concert, in any wedding ceremony or any other type of social political function, that it will beautify with different spectrum of laser color. Then number seven, laser for guidance. So laser guided warplanes are there, jet fighters are there. It will guide you, it will trace you, it will locate the enemy position. So lot of we can say, where I cannot imagine if I go on telling in hundreds of pages, it will take hours. So here at least I have just demonstrated, showed all the images and in a summary. So at least all of you, all the students in 21st century should understand the latest application of laser technologies. So with this I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.